Hey guys, so welcome to today's video. I thought I'd talk about my beauty and skincare purchases for the last month or so. Where do I have them from? All over the place. Yes Style, TJMaxx, a few goodies. Where else? Sephora. Yeah, so Geek and Gorgeous. So anyway, I'll just start out with, QVC. This one I purchased from QVC, the Perricone Cold Plasma Plus Fragile Skin Therapy. It smells awful. It has no fragrance in it, which I like. I'd rather have no fragrance, but it smells strongly like sulfur. And it goes away, but the taste of it gets in your mouth. So anyway, to be honest, I'm almost finished with it. I wouldn't repurchase it. It's a hydrating body moisturizer. Nothing too exciting or revolutionary with that, but anyway, I bought it from QVC because they were doing some cancer fundraising program. So anyway. So that was part of that. Stinky, but it's okay. I'll tell you about my TJMaxx purchases. So I found this Skinfix hand cream. I love their hand cream for $5 at TJMaxx, so I picked it up. Almost anytime I see Skinfix there, I pick it up, unless a lot of times it's their body products, which I can go through quite fast. I also picked up this from TJMaxx, WldKt Saffron and Oat Milk Glow Serum. It's very watery. Very watery. It doesn't feel as hydrating as I thought it would be. So saffron's in there, oat kernel, squalane, meadow foam, aloe, boab. I don't know. It's very watery. This brand seems newer to me. Are they already going away, or maybe they're just at TJMaxx for the heck of it? I don't know. But a lot of times when things are at TJMaxx, well, not a lot of times. Sometimes when things are at TJMaxx, it's not a good sign. Like, when I started seeing all that Aether Beauty stuff, I'm like, that's not good. That was a new release like a couple months ago, and it's already at TJMaxx. Not a good sign. But I don't know what the story with this stuff is. But this one's still selling at Ulta for full price. I think I got this for $9. So anyway, okay, let's see. Future-wise, Slug cream. So this brand has 3 different products. They're all like based off of slugging, skincare slugging, which if you're not aware, it's in your evening routine. After you apply everything, you apply very thick, like a lot of times it's a layer of Vaseline or Aquifer, whatever, to seal everything in and hydrate. And so I picked up their Slug cream. It's really nice. It's really hydrating. Giant bottle. Anyway, so a little bit of it goes a long way, but it's very nice. Nothing bad to say about it so far, but I'll definitely do a full review. They got 2 other goodies, so. What else did I picked up the Geek and Gorgeous Mighty Melt. Really love this one. Very effective cleanser, and this time when it's 90 degrees out, I have been slathering the sunscreen on a lot because I walk for 2 or 3 hours a day, and then it's hard to remove it, even like on my arms and stuff, and this stuff has been doing the trick. So, very happy. And the bottle, the tub of it's gigantic, 3.4 ounces. This could be, in my opinion, the closest dupe to the Claire's Midnight Blue Calming Cream. The SurMedic Azulene Soothing Cream. So let me just show this to you. You know what makes me... It's also the ingredients, but it's also the texture of the product. So hang on. So I'm doing a little bit of a dab of the Claire's Midnight Blue Calming Cream. And then let me open up this jar of the SurMedic. So there's the Claire's, there's the SurMedic. Although I will say, the SurMedic must have some little fragrance thing, because it does have a light scent almost. It's fruity, but anyway. So I'll have to do a versus, because I've been testing this one and actually really enjoying it. If we were going to squeeze 2, I'd be even more happy. So anyway, very interested in that stuff. Smooth that in. So I picked up the Glow Recipe lip balm because I love lip balms, and so I've only had 2 or 3 nights to test this out, and so far I'm impressed and happy with it. It feels very nice on my lips. It's expensive for what it is, but it does remind me of like the Biossance lip balm. So anyway, seems to remind me of it and doesn't have too much of a taste, but it's the Plum Plump line. Round Lab Dokodo SPF 50. Very impressed with this one so far. I'm using it today. underneath my BB cream, and it feels really nice. No white cast or anything, and just feels very nice and light on the skin. And it seems to have some of the newer filters in there, so there we go. Yeah, very nice. So there's that, and no fragrance in it. What else do I have? Oh, the Centella Probio-Cica Enrich Cream. This stuff is thick. Very thick, very hydrating, great for dry skin. I've just been dabbling in it now, and look at that. It is so creamy and thick. And it comes with a really nice spatula, so anyway. Comes with a very dutiful spatula. I picked up one other thing when I was at Sephora, the Nars Under Eye Light Reflecting Eye Brightener, which I put on today. I noticed my under eyes are getting a little bit dark lately, and I have a hard time getting foundation, so I applied a little bit of it with a brush, the Zoeva Eye Concealer Perfector brush, and I don't know, I think it made my eyes look a little bit brighter and better, less sick looking, I think. Oh, the Isntree Onion B5 Ampoule. This one also very watery. I love ampules and serums with the gel. Well, this one, an ampule, I guess, typically has more water texture, so I'll keep playing with it. So far, I'm not totally sold on it, but I know I will be because I love Isntree. Picked up a repurchase of the Moroccan Oil Giant Liter bottle because it annoys the living heck out of me. The pump on these goes to like here. So now like the last like 100 uses of it, I have to dump it out, and it's finally almost empty, and cameraman refuses to put up with that. Oh, the Numbuzin vitamin concentrated pad. This was really interesting. It's almost like a toner pad. So after you're done cleansing or in your morning or evening routine, it's just like a little pad. You can just apply it to your skin. Probably not the most, yeah, so you just take it and apply it to your skin. It's like almost like already soaked in. It's interesting. I'm enjoying it. I am enjoying it. I picked up the Paula's Choice Healthy Glow Sunscreen Oil, but I have not had the guts to use it yet. It's SPF 30. And the two filters in here are avobenzone 3% and octinoxate 7.49%. So I haven't had the guts to use it yet. I mean, is this really supposed to be used on your face? I don't know. It doesn't really say. There we go. I don't know. Anyway, okay, so those are my... Oh, I also picked up this because I think I got this free. The booster, the Pro Collagen Multipeptide Booster. And I've come to the conclusion that booster is another way to kind of sell less product, calling it a booster. But I really do like it, and the ingredients in here are quite nice, and it's got like a lovely liquidish gel texture to it. It's just not a very big bottle. But anyway, it's quite lovely otherwise. So anyway, those are my goodies so far from the last month or so. I've been pretty good. I don't think I've spent a whole ton of money. I probably spent too much on the Nars, but I don't know. I'm concerned about my under eyes. I want them to look bright because that's youthful. So anyway. Interesting from you guys if you picked anything up. If I had to pick MVPs, my MVP would probably be the SurMedic, the Geek and Gorgeous, and the Dokodo sunscreen. My 3 MVPs so far, but I'll keep trying everything. So anyway, interesting from you guys if you picked anything up. Leave a comment. I love hearing from you guys, and I will see you more tomorrow. Thanks so much. Bye, guys.